Hello, my name is Amelia Thomason, and I am currently taking Moral Theology and the Sanctification of Time with Mrs. Bright. I have really enjoyed this class. It has made the study of virtue that can sometimes seem very aloof and far off from the sort of nitty-gritty everyday life very accessible and enriching to my own thought process around the choices that I make and how they'll ultimately affect the person I become, and even now how they're affecting my relationship with God and with other people. Mrs. Bright has a very deep understanding of this more complex subject matter, which has been super helpful to me, and also having lively discussions with my classmates has made it a lot more understandable to our own lives. This has been my first class with Canterbury House of Studies, but I have super appreciated the style and depth of thought that it has been introducing, and also I appreciate that the format is more of a college seminar discussion style instead of a high school lecture series. So I have been really enjoying my time with this.